Hey sister, I am Karen Cricket Garratt, the musical director of Soul Seeker Sisterhood and a life purpose coach. I am here today to share with you about my upcoming Discover Your Joyful Purpose workshop, which is based on our January book, The Passion Test. I'm going to be telling you what you can expect to learn in the workshop and how to prepare for it by taking the Passion Test. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you why you're taking the Passion Test and fulfilling your life's purpose is so important for the world. Now, if you are like me, then one of the things that you love about Soul Seeker Sisterhood is diving deep into the concepts and practices of spiritually minded books and then sharing them with like-minded women. I know for me that I find it always brings new ideas for me that I otherwise may have missed just reading by myself. So The Passion Test is a wonderful book for us to share together because it gives simple yet powerful tools on becoming clear on our passions. And as they say in the book, when you are clear, what you want will show up in your life and only to the extent you are clear. So January is all about getting clear on our soul's purpose and passion, and this book and workshop are going to get us there. So I'm so excited about this workshop because we are going to take what we learn in the book to the next level. And I know that you're ready for this because you are a soul seeker. So before you arrive at the workshop, I'm going to ask you to take the Passion Test first. So once you're in the workshop, we can take the knowledge that the Passion Test gives us and build on that. And we'll be discovering in the workshop why your passions make your heart sing, what are the obstacles that are keeping you from living your passions more fully, how to overcome those obstacles, and I have some fun creative exercises that are going to bring you crystal clear clarity to living your life's joyful purpose. I've also got an awesome free bonus gift that I'll be giving away in the workshop that will help you break through the mental blocks that keep you from taking action on your passions. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Cricket, I already know my passion. Why would I take the Passion Test or attend your workshop? So in the book, Janet tells us that happy, successful people have all 5 of their top passions present in their life. And once you take the Passion Test, you may be surprised at what passions actually take priority in your life. I know I was really surprised. So this book and this workshop is for anyone who wants to bring more of their passions into their life, whether you are clear on what those passions are or not. And in the workshop, we'll be diving deep into what is stopping us from living passionately. Now, before I close, I just want to say there is something so powerful about being in community and having others witness our goals and passions. It is so much more powerful than just reading a book. That's why Soul Seeker Sisterhood wants to create transformational experiences where we can support each other and hold an inspired vision for our sisters. This continues the mission of Soul Seeker Sisterhood by empowering women to fulfill their soul's purpose, and that starts with you. You know, it starts with you and it ripples out to the rest of the world. So this is important work, sister. So we look forward to seeing you in the Discovering Your Joyful Purpose workshop. It's on Thursday, January 14th at 6:30 p.m. It's $20. I can't wait to see you there. Go to soulseekersisterhood.com, take the Passion Test, and I will see you soon.